Sometimes you may want to clean up your friends list on Roblox quickly. Roblox makes it easy to remove friends with the removal button. Whether you're on a mobile or a PC, here's a step-by-step guide to unfriend people fast. If you're using Roblox on PC or web browser, you need to go to the Roblox official website first and log into your account. Now in the home page that appears, you will see the connections option. Go ahead and tap on See All in the right-hand side of the screen. Now here you will see all of your friends in this page. Now in order to delete or remove someone from your Roblox account, go ahead and open their profile. Now once their profile appears, you will see the option of Remove Connection that is beside the chat option in the right-hand side of the screen. Now go ahead and tap on this Remove Connection option. This person is now no longer in your connection or in your friends list option. If you want to add them again, you can tap on Add Connection. And if you want to block them, you can tap on this three dots and you will see the option of Block User option. Go ahead and tap on Block User and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. You can unfriend multiple people quickly by scrolling and using the three-dot menu as well. And removing someone does not block them. They can still follow you unless you block them. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.